This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This system, now being tested, is activated for Amber Alerts, for when children are abducted, and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use this system to warn you of events that pose an immediate danger to life and property. If this were an actual emergency, you would have been directed to www.oralert.gov for more information. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to deliver these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.